In modern manufacturing, speed, precision, and flexibility are everything. But traditional robotic welding still depends on complex programming, time-consuming setups, and highly specialized operators. What if welding automation could be simpler? Introducing RIWD 3D FreeTeach Industrial Welding Station, a new generation of intelligent robotic welding. Powered by advanced 3D vision technology, the system scans every part, understands its geometry, and automatically generates the optimal welding path. No manual programming, no coding, no trial and error. The robot detects welding seams, calculates the best parameters, speed, current, angle, and performs each weld with exceptional precision. With repeatability up to plus or minus 0.02 millimeters, every weld is consistent, reliable, and built for industrial performance. Designed for modern production environments, the FreeTeach station adapts instantly to different parts. RIWD 3D FreeTeach, robotic welding, reimagined, smarter automation, higher productivity. The future of welding starts here.